Okay, we're having another go at this vlogging thing. I'm in the camper at the moment, and I'm just going to show you. This is a motorhome, and she is 24 foot, 20 years old. Double bed up the top, cab in the front. See that? That's a bit of a waste, that is. That's in my opinion, because it's separate from the rest of the body, so you could go 4 foot less and have the same amount of space. See what I mean? So if you got rid of that and incorporate it with swivel seats, you can get rid of the back bedroom, but you just bring everything forward. Back bed, double, really comfortable. Mess, because we haven't been anywhere because of all this lockdown. We've done nothing, we've done. But some good news is I got the drone on charge there. So here's the good news. Let's go. I've got to find a toilet. Not now, no, I don't mean me. Right, so the good news is we're going to pick the boat up today. So we've got to find a toilet to take with us because they've shut all the toilets down. There's no toilets, they've left one tap on, I think, or 2 taps on, just so we can wash your hands or whatever. So I've cleaned the van out. Looks clean, doesn't it? Looks tidy. What they got. So I've got to go and find a toilet because there's none there. Well, they're not open. None of the facilities are open. So I'm waiting for Jane she's having a quick, she's having a coffee, then she's having a bit of a chill time. We're going to go about 10, so I'm going to nip in the gym, get the immune system hammered. You've seen the gym, but I've got to find this toilet somewhere. It's a little porta potty which we take with us in emergencies. See, do you like my selfie stick? I just made this. Let's see if this works any good. Okay, so. Nope, I can't see it. Okay, I won't bore you. I will see if I can find this loo. Give me a sec. Still looking. So the lockdown in Wales has been lifted. Not completely, I don't think. So I can go and fetch it, but we can't. No one can stay overnight. I don't know about caravan sites. I don't know. Found it. There's a mess in here. Oh. Yeah, so they've lifted the ban, so we can go down at 7, come, and we must leave by 10, so I'm going to pick it up. There it is. So I'm taking that, and I'm going to go in here. You've seen this before. We're going to do some benching. I'm going to do a couple 100 reps. Gets the immune system really going well. Keep us old farts healthy. And that's it. I won't put you on the road. I'll wait till we get there, pick the boat up, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right. So we'll catch things extensive and more. Look at that. Dun, dun, dun. Needs to come down a bit. Sorry, guys. Right. So here we go. So we're taking this because, like I said, did I say there's no facilities? So there's no toilets, there's nothing open. You've only got a little bit of water and that's it. So this is a must. I know someone out there. I know some people I know. Shh, don't tell them. They said that I'd never go on one of them. Well, then poo your pants, because I would. That or poo your pants. So toilet roll, a must. We're off in a minute. I won't film the journey or anything. Like I said, we only got till 10 o'clock tonight to pick it up and bring it back. So there we go. Looks official, doesn't it? It's when I'm chainsawing. So another vlog. I don't know if it's any good. You let me know when we finished. I'll pick the boat up. I'll do a bit of film of that. Towing it back. Drop it off at my lad's house because I've got in the room. I'll show you why. You've probably seen this before. I've got more projects than soft Mick at the moment, honestly. I've been doing that one up, sailboat. I've all new lights on, battery, you've seen that in previous videos. I'll put a link, where am I putting it? Here. Subscribe button there. I've got a Patreon account. I'm not really bothered. I mean, you know, it's for donations because things are costing me more money, but I'm not really bothered about that. Someone just said, oh, you want to do it? You want to do it? I've done it. Don't worry about it. Anyway, so that's it. Right, we'll catch on. No letter. That's nice. So we're going to go now. I thought I told you in this video that we're going to go and pick the boat up. So just showing you it's really nice to get out and
Wales. Wales.
Wales.
We're allowed to go to Wales. Who'd have thought we weren't allowed to go to Wales? It's all been a bit crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, we're going to do a little bit of filming when we get to the top of the Dinas, which is quite breathtaking, and then we'll wait till we get to the I haven't said where we're going.
Seaside.
Seaside, that's all. I'll just say that for now.
To that blue sky.
Waterfall. See it? All down in front of me.
I can't see where it
It's in the valley. So this is Dinas Mawddwy. Mawddwy?
is. Dinesmouth.
I'll close the window so it's noisy.
It's beautiful.
The valley, to the left. This is one in. Is it 1 in 15?
You still winking?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think it's 1 in 20 in places, isn't it?
Now, believe it or not, Jane and myself have been up here in a
Metro.
1 litre. Is it 1 litre? Is it?
I think so. Yeah, Metro.
A 1 litre
Roadkill.
mini metro.
What was that?
It was a
Foxy.
hare. It was a hare.
Oh.
1 litre mini metro towing a caravan. Woohoo! Well, that was spooky because we didn't know how bad it was at the time. But yeah,
It's not bad.
The top bit's it's not bad. I've been up here in the motorhome. Quite
Just see if we can get second gear. Hang
I'm
on.
in fifth. I'm in.
There's a dip. Yep.
Right, there we go. Look at that. Roads, which because
We like to have a bit of a run up, don't we?
Yeah, the roads are actually very quiet.
It's lovely.
Fourth.
We have to have permission to go to Wales, by the way.
Yeah. And then we should get ready in fourth, but I'll drop to third. Easy.
Yay. Oh, we in the Montego as well. We came up here, we had a hole in the fuel
Hole in
tank.
the fuel tank.
We got to that little lay-by there and thought,
Remember
we haven't got any fuel.
we had a van as well, Ford Transit, and it had a disease in the diesel in the tank, and it had jellified.
It was a disease.
It's a diesel, and it had jellified. So when you went up a hill, it cocked out. So when you parked up, you're thinking, what? And then it started again. It was a disease in the diesel. Okay, so we're over the top.
Whoa.
Then
Oh, look at that
right.
view. I'll take a picture of that.
Look at that view.
We haven't been able to go to Wales for 3 months.
Still here. Everything's here, but it looks like someone's just parked in a coal mine. Look at this. What on earth? This was immaculate when we left. Right, so we're going to give it a go. See if the battery's probably dead. Are we on? It's on. On, okay. Remember, I wired this up. What we'll do? Ooh, 7.75 volts. We probably haven't even gone off to turn the engine over. See if the lights work. Ooh, that's not good. I don't think we've gone off to turn the engine over, to be honest with you. I haven't got a jumper with me. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay, all I can do is give it a clean. We're not bringing it back. Might as well leave it here. Yeah, thanks. Can you get me my drill, Jane? And how friendly they are down the coast. Friends of the club, lend us a jump leads. Got in beautiful. Easy boy. Let it run for a few minutes. Back up to 14, whatever that is, I can't see that myself. There we go. Started cleaning it, looking a lot better compared to that. Mike, he loves the water. He does love the water. Gotta admit.